take us out, Aditi, and Aditi is like, yeah, next time.
Next time.
So this is like my shopping mall in a way. Cheers.
Thank you so much. I'm not a matcha person, but I'm gonna try this one.
I really hope you like it.
It's actually very good.
Yes, I think you're maybe the 100% that I've converted into a matcha drinker. Japan, Kyoto should pay me at this point.
They should actually. Hello everybody, welcome to the newest episode of HF Rates. We are with the beautiful Aditi Bhatia today in her gorgeous house in Mumbai.
Thank you.
And this is your kitchen where
Yes.
we're sitting.
Yes, and so is Murphy.
And so is Murphy. Hi Murphy, can you say hi to the camera?
Say hi. Say hi.
Oh, okay.
He did.
He did. But Aditi, I am so intrigued and excited to see your wardrobe today.
Oh my god, yes. So am I.
Yeah, so we're getting an entry today.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
So should we go head up?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's show them our little paradise. Come.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Yeah, this is my side of the house.
Wow.
So because we have limited space in Bombay houses, I had to make this shoe closet, which was basically both sides. And yeah, these are my shoes.
This is so magical actually. Ki
Yes.
Either say, but you tell me which was your like oldest piece from this that you can't
Oldest?
let go of.
I think it has to be these Balenciagas. Oh my god, I remember everybody in Bombay was going crazy about these sock shoes.
Yes.
And yeah, I think I had a little bit of a bhed chal moment.
FOMO ho raha tha.
I think so. So yeah, I think these are my oldest pair here.
And you will not let go of the
I
piece.
mean, I guess now I can, but I think that has that nostalgia factor in them because I look at them and I'm like, yeah, that was the young Aditi.
Yeah, another version definitely.
Yes. But these are some of my shoes. I have a shoe closet outside my house also.
Okay,
So yeah, I'm a big shoe hoarder.
you are. And which is your favorite pair, current favorite pair out of these?
I think it has to be these ones that I recently got from Japan.
Oh, BLV.
Yeah, these are thrifted. So I
Oh.
really like them. Yeah, I think it was like, you know how Cinderella was found with the exact pair? This is how I found them. It's the only piece, of course, and it just fit me like a glove. So it was literally made for me. And which
Definitely.
else is...
Your favorite. I love these ones too.
Oh yeah, these are pretty
The
Cinderella.
Jeffrey.
Yeah, these are pretty Cinderella. I also like these. Yeah, I think
So
I
pretty.
got this from Korea or someplace like that. It has flowers, pearls. It's like, you know, it has the green, blue. So it goes
So
with a lot of
spring,
colors.
yes.
And it's very spring.
Yes.
So I really like this pair too.
Your Instagram also tells us that you were recently in Japan.
Yes.
Are you somebody who thrifts a lot when you are traveling abroad?
I mean, it was my first time.
Yeah.
And I really enjoyed it. I think that's mostly what I did in Japan.
And are there spots in Bombay that you hit up? जैसे कि हम जाते थे Hill Road और
I
ये सब
think
shop
Bombay
करने.
Closet Cleanse is somebody I partnered
Yes.
with for my own stuff, and whatever I'm getting out of it is going straight for animal welfare. So I think that's a very good way of thrifting. And yeah, I think that's about it in
That's
Bombay
your-
so far.
yeah.
But Fashion Street, I remember when I was younger, I
Yeah.
used to go to Fashion Street a lot and bargain and get those really
It used to give us so much
funky
dopamine
things.
ना कि 200 में
Yes,
कैसे मिल गया
yes,
इतना?
yes, 100%.
Definitely.
But I also really like my boots.
Oh, I love
feel
the
like-
cowboy boots there, the white
yeah,
ones.
The white ones,
Oh.
yeah. I think whenever I'm traveling, I suddenly transform into this girl who wants to like experiment, and suddenly then the boots come out. Because in Bombay, I feel like it kind of looks funny.
It's very difficult
So-
also to style them.
Yes, correct. So yeah, I basically like a lot of multicolor.
Yeah, I love how you have a
Sneakers.
lot of pastels on you.
Yeah.
They suit you a lot.
Yeah, so I'm really fond of like really bright, pastel, vibrant colors. And
Okay.
yeah, it's a mix of that all.
Lovely. And I see there are more doors to this.
Yes.
So let's get into that.
So these are my bags.
Okay.
I'm trying to make conscious choices now. So yes, I think this is one of the bags that I just got from Japan again. I thrifted this. It's supposed to be a bag from the year that I was born in. and I thought that was really special. So yeah, and I really like the fact that it has a lock on top of it. So yeah, this is a new purchase that I made.
Very beautiful color, I would like to say. But
Yes.
I also see that you have a lot of charms on your bags, which
Yes.
is the new Gen Z trend that we all are hopping on.
Yes.
So tell me about these charms. Where did you get these from?
Oh, I actually made this one
Really?
in Korea. Yes, that's my paddle bag. I've also recently gone into paddle.
This is very
And-
cool. Can we pull this one out?
Yes, of course.
I love it. I've never seen a paddle bag, which is so cool.
Yeah, it is a paddle bag. I'm the kind of a person, I think I bring in accessories to then motivate me to do the sport.
Yes.
So yes, it's always the other way around for me, and I think that's where this bag came in after just one session of paddle.
Okay, we're a paddle girl now.
Yeah, we're a paddle girl now. It just took me one session, and I was like, yeah, this is my thing now.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, I think this is a ball pouch for my paddle bag, which is in form of a cap, but it doesn't have a ball inside currently. But it says ADI, which is my initials, and yeah, it has TV, it has a paw for Murphy and Ollie,
Yes.
and then it has dog food. It has passport, a random duck. It has cutlery, and because I love eating food, and there's a money gun because I am a spendthrift. So it's basically
Everything that
things, and
describes
I love
you.
me because my apni favorite.
Of course, why not?
So like all of my bags kind of have those charms that you're talking about.
Yeah, love
Yeah.
the detailing.
Yeah, I think I like to give them friends. I think even this one has
Yeah.
a friend.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it's
Wow,
like
this is so cute.
it's like a lettuce. So yeah, I love these quirky small things.
very cool.
So yeah, I don't like to leave my bags alone.
But tell me, which is the most sasta bag out of this? Like something
Sasta
that
bag.
you were not ready for, and you were like, oh my god, this is like a deal.
I think I got this Tommy Hilfiger bag on Farfetch, and I really fell in love
Oh,
with it.
Farfetch is a
Yes,
really.
and I think I got this on a crazy discount, and it was the only piece left, so I really like
But
this
do you
one.
still use this?
Yes,
as much?
a lot. Every
Okay.
time I go to like a script reading, I think it just fits my journal, my pencils, and things like that, and I feel like a student
Wow,
where
that's
I'm
so
going.
cool.
Yeah.
What's this pearl one?
Oh, this is back from Cult Gaia. I really liked it. I think Cult Gaia makes these really fascinating cool
Yes.
bags. So it's like a clutch. I'm not a very clutch person, but I think it just adds a lot to any outfit, and it just kind of elevates it.
It does. Look at this. This
And
is
I
such
like-
a perfect example.
Yeah, I like the fact that it has pearls of different sizes.
Sizes. Yes.
That just like I feel like bag has a lot more character when the detailing is right.
Yeah.
And also I love bags that can stand on their own. That's one thing I really
A
need to
personality
have
of their own.
Yes.
But are you also somebody who shops from airports?
A lot.
A lot of that.
I'm shopping from everywhere all the time. Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit
Guilty.
Guilty, I know.
Very guilty.
I see a lot of clothes right there, so
Yes.
let's open that section.
Yes, of course. So this is like my shopping mall in a way.
Oh,
Yes, because I wanted to have a feeling of having a shopping mall within my closet. Because after a point, I had so many clothes, I might as well thought of going like.
but how do you organize this every time?
So I mean, my closet since the last I think 8 years now has been color coordinated. So I mean, here is my white and black dresses. Here are my black and white pants. And a little bit of beige also. Here are my tracks, and then some of my heavy Indian wear, my chicken curries, my.
See a lot of chicken curries right there.
Yes,
such
because
pretty
I do
colours.
go for Kathak, so like that's my uniform in Kathak class.
Yeah.
Then I have a few very beautiful dresses that I know that they're gonna work for me. So
Here, I wanted to know from you, which is the Aditi, the old Aditi, and the new Aditi.
Oh.
Through your style, I want to understand how did your personal style evolve over the years? Something
this
that
is something I
describes-
recently wore at one of the red
Oh, I
carpets.
saw. Yes.
So this is the
Really hot
this is
look.
the blazer for that. So I
Yeah.
think this is definitely new Aditi.
New Aditi.
And an elevated one. And I would say old Aditi would be something really cute. But I don't want to still call her old Aditi. I don't know.
She's a part of you still.
She's
of
a part
course.
of me still, but I think this is very.
That's how your personal style has evolved, also.
I think so.
Yeah.
So it's literally gone from this to that. But again, I do keep switching it back.
So I want to talk about the sequin one also. What's that?
Oh, that's the dress I turned 21 in.
Wow.
So it doesn't leave my closet ever. So this is a sequence dress. Not very me, but we were in Vegas and I wanted to obviously feel like the birthday girl. We were in LA and I picked this up for Vegas. And yeah, what a beautiful night I had. I'd always manifested for my 21st birthday to be in Vegas.
Yeah.
And we were in lockdown and my friends and I decided to go to Vegas, and surprisingly my birthday was
But that was also
Dekis.
the time you were doing like a solo trip, if I'm not wrong.
Solo trip was before that.
Before that, right? And then you were
But this
there
was
in
also
LA.
sort of a solo trip,
Yeah.
only, which turned out to be a longer stay. But yes, this is my 21st birthday dress, which hopefully I give to my daughter someday.
Yes. With your Pinterest boards
Oh my god.
as heirloom pieces,
Yes,
right?
as heirloom pieces.
I love how this is so color coordinated. I want to speak about this one piece. It's catching my eye.
This one?
Yeah. What's
Oh
this?
yeah, it's quite pretty. It's just a studded.
Is it
top.
Oh, corset. Oh.
Yeah, it's a corset with. I've never worn this actually. A lot of pieces in my life, I forget them as I'm constantly shopping, and it's a bad habit. But yeah, I actually do want to style this one. Thank you for this.
And what is that one piece out of these that your mom is constantly telling you, ki, please Aditi, ab ye fake do?
It was a t-shirt with SpongeBob on it, and that is the t-shirt that I went for my Ye Hai Mohabbatein audition wearing.
Wow. See, we
So-
got a connection.
Yes. So I don't know where that is, but it's like so torn, and it's like so, because it was like literally my, one of your home
Ghar
t-shirts.
ki, haan.
So that was that for me.
But from here, tell me which are your like favorite pieces. Let's look at that. And
I
let's
think-
also try and understand some styling hacks that maybe you've learned over the years.
Oh, okay.
Through your like stylists, wherever you have
So I
collaborated.
really like this one t-shirt,
Oh, it's
which
very cool.
has a lot of vegetables on it.
Okay.
I really like pairing this with the baggy jeans.
Okay.
And I think that really is more my style for when I'm like easy breezy. And this is a gingham top. And yeah, it's like you can do a skirt,
Yeah.
you can do a white pant, and yeah,
You can do sneakers with this or
yes,
heels.
you can do
swap.
sneakers, heels, you can do whatever you would like. I recently got this Miu Miu top, and I think I really like it, and I can't wait to style it. It's basically
It's like a sailor top.
It's like a sailor top,
Yeah.
yes. But I don't have anywhere to be at where I can wear this.
Maybe like a fancy paddle.
Oh, that would
session,
be nice.
hai
Yeah,
na?
but it's kind of thick. The material. is
Yeah,
kind of
but
thick.
you will sweat in this a lot.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So this, but I really like this, and I can't wait to style
It's
this.
so beautiful too.
These are some of my favorite
Yeah.
dresses, by the way.
Do you want to
must-
pick one out if we are not disturbing the stack?
Even if it falls, it's okay. It's,
Okay.
yeah. I think this dress is really special because this is what I did my Laneige ad in.
Oh yeah. I've
So
seen
this
one.
is the dress for that.
So
I'd picked it
pretty.
up and I'd styled myself for it because I just really wanted to be on brand, and I thought nothing more than this comes close to the brand and what the campaign kind of was about.
was about.
So these are some of my day dresses, again slightly color coordinated.
Okay.
And the best part is, since I can't reach up there, this comes down to me.
Aditi, this is crazy.
Yeah,
good.
there's like magical things happening in the wardrobe.
Which is your favorite out of this one? And then I'll give you two situations. Or maybe let's do that right now. Something that you would wear when you are meeting your girls, like for a brunch.
It has
Oh,
to be
it's so
this
pretty.
one,
It's so
yes.
Barbie.
Yes, it is quite Barbie, and also the back is like, it's like,
All laced up.
all laced up. So I think this is quite nice for a girly day out.
Okay.
And what else is your
And the
question?
second is you are going on a first date.
Oh, then it would have to be one of my black dresses.
Black dresses.
Yeah, I think black is a safer option. Or if I want to be, I mean, nobody's asked me for a date in a long, long time.
That's
so good question.
I don't know why men are doing this.
Yeah, I mean, you should slap these men who are not asking me out for it. But I think if I want to act a little like, I'm
You don't want to
so
put a lot of
feminine.
effort also.
Yeah, and I'm like, I'm so feminine, I'm
Yeah,
so cute.
cute.
And wear like cute pink heels.
Oh, I
and
love
put,
this.
Yeah, put like some cute diamond studs
Yeah.
and go like, yes, where do you want to take me out? I think it would be nice.
And what would you pick as footwear from there? Let's see.
Oh, you
Yeah.
want me to style this?
Yes, let's style this one.
Oh, it's my favorite thing to do.
Yes.
It's what I do every day.
Like an activity, yes.
Okay, so I mean, if I'm going out with my girls and if this is the outfit,
Yeah.
then Converse pink ones will really work.
Yeah.
And if I am going out on an imaginary date, which has not happened in very long, I think it
Yeah.
would have to be these Hermes sandals. Yeah, I think they go pretty well.
Yeah.
And they also are like a little cash. But if I am in the mood to like stack it up with diamonds, then I think even this would really do well.
Yeah, this would
With
do
just
really.
kind of some, diamond studs. And if I'm in the mood to do a choker, then also this would definitely kind of bring the look together. So yeah, that's what I have been able to style for you.
Lovely.
On
That
the
was very
spot.
cool. That
Yeah,
was very
styled
cool.
by Aditi.
Aditi. Yes.
That's my jewelry.
Look at the Chanel earring.
Yeah, I recently picked them up. Again, haven't been able to style them.
Maybe with that dress that you showed us. the
Oh
pink one.
yeah, that's true actually. But that has diamonds, right? And this is pearls.
Oh yeah.
But I mean, we can again. The heels have diamonds and pearls both, so I think
So we can make it work.
bring it together. So these are my hoodies. I picked this up from Japan recently.
Oh, melted butter. So
yes,
cute.
it's quite cute.
Yeah.
On the back it says "Can't wait, ate it."
Ate it.
And there's a bite mark. So these kind of things, I'm just like, take my card, take
Details.
my card. I love these small details. And really, like, I'm also a person with captions on t-shirts. So there would be like, this one says screenwriter and main character.
That's
So
right.
Sometimes when I'm in a meeting, I just would like to wear this.
Show that off,
and
yeah.
basically not say it out of my mouth, but it's there on my sweatshirt. So things like
Yeah.
that I keep doing.
And you have a lot of denims also.
So yeah, these are basically my skirts and shorts.
Okay.
And these are also some of my quad sets.
Mm-hmm.
And these both are my denims. Oh, I actually really would like to show you these.
Wow.
So this is a denim made out of, if I'm not wrong, 120 pair of thrown away jeans.
So
Like
this is like an upcycled piece.
upcycled piece, correct. So this is an upcycled piece and it's kind of cool.
But I also love the fact that you have a very functional style of fashion.
It's just that I don't use a lot of these things because I don't like to get out of my house. So the most used item in my closet are my night suits. So all of this just sits and looks at me like, you know.
Please take us out, Aditi.
Yeah, please take us out, Aditi. And Aditi is like, yeah, next time. So yeah, I do have a lot of things, but I just keep forgetting about them. I am a homebody, so this just kind of stays here most of the time.
Lovely.
But thank you for raiding this and kind of making me also aware
Realize
of what all
that.
is in here.
But I also hear that you are big on makeup and
yes.
skincare,
Yes, I
which
am.
I would definitely want to see.
Oh yes. Okay, so this is my paradise.
Beautiful.
This is
must
where I
say.
get ready.
This is so pretty. This is like a Barbie house.
I mean, this is like a Barbie room. My bedroom is quite quirky.
Wow.
But let me
Okay.
show you my makeup.
Yes.
So this is my makeup.
Okay.
And yeah, these are basically the things that I use every day.
Hmm.
This is where I kind of put my hair stuff. So it's all of my hair equipment, my combs, my Dyson, my clips. And then this is my perfume collection, my lipsticks, my eyeshadows.
Oh my god.
And these are all of my hair sprays, makeup fixers, my brushes, serums, and yeah, all things glam basically. Whatever
Okay.
I need to get glammed up.
So I want to know from you, what is your skincare routine like?
Okay.
And let's understand a few hacks from you.
So honestly, I do own a lot of things, and
Yeah.
I mean, you guys must be thinking, looking at the stuff that I have, that I am like, I must be having like a 12-step getting ready routine,
Yeah.
a 12-step makeup routine. But honestly, it's quite simple. I do like to switch things up every time I think my skin needs something different. And for makeup, if I do feel like I want to do something different,
Yeah.
which is mostly a lipstick change, to be very honest.
Oh.
But skincare, I think I like to keep things simple. Like last night, I literally put a moisturizer and I was off to bed. So sometimes it's that. Sometimes if my skin is feeling dry, then I would kind of do a thick layer of a heavy cream or like a mask or yeah, things like that, honestly.
Okay. And what is the song that is going to play on loop while you're getting ready?
Oh,
your favorite?
It depends, but usually it's like, okay, judge me for it, but it's Kabhi Kabhi Aditi. Because it just makes me feel like I am the moment.
This is so cute.
It's kind of self-obsessive.
No, it's like main character energy.
I guess so.
Okay. Also,
Yeah.
lastly, Aditi, as the show is called HF Raids,
Yes.
so we're going to pick something from your closet, whatever
Yes.
you are happy to give away
Yes,
for your
definitely.
fans.
Okay, so I do have
Yeah.
something taken out.
Okay.
This is the dress that I turned 18 in, and this is where I became legal in a way. And I
Okay.
think my birthday was celebrated in Budapest with my entire team of YHM, and there are photos of it
Wow.
also online. We were shooting for the show, and yeah, this is that dress from that birthday. So you guys can have it.
So all Ye Hai Mohabbatein fans, please tell us your favorite part from the show and your favorite memory attached to Aditi from the show, and I think you all will get the dress.
Yes, yes, this is my 18th birthday dress.
This is so cool.
Yeah, it's kind of very special to me. And with that emotional note, here's
We'll take
hand
it.
over to you.
Thank you so much.
Please take care of this, whoever
Definitely,
gets it. And I
definitely.
hope you celebrate your birthday in this dress too. It's in very good condition.
Definitely. And thank you so much, Aditi, for letting us in and invade your
Thank you.
closet.
Thank you so much for having me. And I'm so excited for you guys to see this. And thank you so much.
I hope you had fun.
I did. I actually got to know so many things that I owned, which I need to use now. So let's get to that.
That's really cool. Till then, bye, bol de sabko.
Yes, bye.